Write the number 20 million in standard form. The whole question here tests your understanding of standard form and how to do multiplication and division using it as well. Write the number 20 million in standard form. So 20 million is basically that in standard form is, well, you count the noughts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You put the significant number there, the first number down, and 2 times 10 to the 7. And that's your answer for that. Calculate, giving your answers in standard form, correct 2 significant figures. So what we need to do here, first of all, we can say this is equal to 4.6 times 7.2, and multiplying, because we're multiplying all these figures here, the brackets haven't really got any significance, so you can multiply 10 to the minus 7 times 10 to the 14 there, and that gives just 10 to the 7. And now that equates to 33.12 times 10 to the 7. However, we've still got to get this in standard form, we have to move the decimal point to there. So so we still have to add another 10 because we're moving it 1. So that's 3.312 times 10 to the 8. Now it says, don't forget that, 2 significant figures. What that means is 2 figures that are greater than naught, basically starting with greater than naught. So we're talking about this one, 1, 2. So those are our 2 significant figures. We don't have to round. So to 2 significant figures it's 3.3 times 10 to the 8. Okay, this is still part of question B, 7b here, so remember that we need to do the same thing there with the significant figures. Now here we've got division. What this is equal to is 4.56 over 9.24, and 10 to the 14 into 10 to the 3 gives, you subtract it when you divide, so that's going to be 10 to the minus 11. Okay, using our calculator, is equal to 0.4935 times 10 to the minus 11. To put that in standard form, we need to move that decimal point there, so we're actually subtracting a number by moving that, so that's 4.935 times 10 to the minus 12 now, and to 2 significant places that is going to be equal to, these are the most significant figures, so again we don't need to round, because we're rounding down basically, so you don't need to round up. That's what I'm saying. So it's times 10 to the minus 12, and that's your answer.